The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm there again, big up and respect to each and everyone. Now I have two videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. And the first video that I'm going to present to you, I want you to listen to me carefully because the informations that I'm about to give you about this video, they are not confirmed informations. So therefore, the informations that I'm about to give you about this video that I'm about to present to you might not be accurate and might not be the truth. You see me? Also, it can also be the truth as well. See it? Now please bear that in mind. Now the first video that I'm going to present to you, according to the informations that I got about this video and according to some things that have been shown and said in the video, it is said that the video is about a female who had been hospitalized within the country that is known as Antigua and Barbuda, and it is said that she's asking persons to donate blood to help her medical treatment. Now, I do not know when the video had been made, viewers and subscribers, but I realized that the video had been posted different places on social media within the month of July the year 2021. This video shows a female crying, and some things have been said and shown in this video might make some of you, my viewers and subscribers, sad. Alright? I'm going to say this again, that the informations that I got about this video, they are not confirmed informations. See it? I'm just trying to make that be very clear to you, my viewers and subscribers. I'm presenting the video to you just in case if the female need help. And I'm also presenting the video to you because the video is being talked about on social media. You can also let me know what you think about some of the things that have been shown and said in this video as well, alright? Now, before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video, take a look, listen, and observe.
Good morning. I am in Antigua. I woke up 2 weeks ago in a coma. I realized I don't have any kidney and I'm trying to get just a little bit of blood. And because I don't have any family, I know I can't get a little blood from nobody at all. All me I beg, nobody can just come to the hospital and pay a tip of blood for me. Please, me I ask you to respond as we can do my surgery and get fit back to Jamaica. Please, me just ask you.
Jano, viewers and subscribers, if this female really need persons to donate blood so that she can get medical treatment, I hope she get the help. And that is if she really need the help. The reason why I said if she need the help, viewers and subscribers, is because the informations that I got about this video, they are not confirmed informations, See? But at the same time, when I look at the video and listen to some of the things that the female said, it really touched me here. So just in case if this female need the help, I present the video to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can at least know about this video. See? Janu, you see, when we look at a video like this, it make me give thanks to know so that me alright and in certain good health, viewers and subscribers, because you have some persons out there go through some things where you may never know, you see? So again, if this female really need persons to donate blood so that she can get the medical treatment that she is asking for, then I hope she get the help if she really need the help. You see what I say? Anyways, my people, I'm gonna leave it right there, so you see me? I'm going to leave it right there so you can let me know what you think about the video, and I'm going to move on to another video. Alright, the next video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, this video is about a man who confronted a thief who stole some items from a store that is located somewhere out there in the world. I do not have any confirmed information as to where or when the video will be recorded. However, this video is going to show the man who is considered to be the thief removing quite a number of items from his pants. See, it's like the person have some things pushed down in his pants, viewers and subscribers, and those things are considered to be stolen items. So the man confronted that man that is said to be the thief and asked him to remove those things. See, and viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about this video. Some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video, take a look, listen, and observe.
take out every blood clot one of them. So take them out.
What are you doing? Why are you yelling?
Yo, Wallace. Wallace. Why you take them out? Take out every one of them.
Bro, I'm not scared of you.
Me not afraid of you neither. Alright, so take them out.
That's why you gave him right there?
You know what you do? You think somebody will see you? You know what you do? That's why I'm here.
Oh, wow.
I ain't know you.
Don't worry about that. Now you know.
I'm not from out here. I ain't know it.
People like white people cannot have a fucking good community.
Fuck the white people. Look how we slaved up.
Yeah, but what about our job? What about our job?
Fuck them all. Crack.
What about our job?
Get the music every time I get. Fucking crack. We beat the fucking babies out of our system. Beat the babies out of our system.
Let me get it. Oh, let me get a basket. Any gloves?
Mm-hmm.
Take this shit now. I thought this was an all-white store. I mean, fuck, if I got caught, man, I got hit. This thing will go.
Here, I gotta watch the front.
No, man, you will. Let's go inside here.
Is in it? Wow.
Yeah.
Huh?
Stay right there.
That's it. Fuck.
All right.
My people, you see the amount of things where the man remove from out in pants, eh? Look at the amount of something the man have in pants. I want that a sweatpants. But they even know if I call that kind of pants. But look at the amount of things where the man have in pants, eh? Like for real, what him that plan for do? See? Look at the amount of things where the man take, viewers and subscribers. Like on a real. Work hard for what you want at all times. That is one of my biggest rules too, you know. You see me? Stealing them things, they don't work out no time at all. You know, work out. You see me? I say, you know, the amount of videos when I say posted on social media that shows persons stealing this, stealing that, taking this, taking that, and all these things, and people catch them, and the embarrassment and the humiliation and all them things there. See? I mean, even say more than one videos that shows one person repeatedly do the same act, you know. See, so it's like that person they get catch, and even though they get catch on the pan camera and go back but do it again at another place. You see what I say? So what wrong? Why is it that some person don't understand that them kind of thing are wrong, yo? See, if you go out there and ask or try to find a job, you might be surprised to see your life turn around instead of you do these kind of stupidness, you know. Me I talk about people who do these things, you know, because you have good, clean citizens out there worldwide, you know. See? Listen, I rather be around a person who beg for what he want than steal what he want. See? Yeah, me rather be around a person who will beg for something than steal something. To be honest, me I tell you the truth. You see what I say? At the same time, me respect people who work for what they want, you know. But me rather settle for somebody who will beg for something than go steal it. I hope you understand what I'm saying, you know, because stealing to me point blank just not good. Anyways, I just have left it here, my people. Let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you, and if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall, skilla, entertainment.